In this video, I will show you how to use BeeInstant's powerful search engine in order to create a database. I'll begin by showing you some simple searches. For example, we could search CPU. This will return any CPU related metrics. We could otherwise search latency. This will return any metrics related to latency. We could further enhance this search by perhaps saying database name is equal to master. This would return only metrics that came from the master database. We could further enhance this again by saying metric is equal to write latency ms. This would return only the write latencies. Any space separated queries inherently have an and between them. So while you may not see it here, it is included. Returning back to the CPU example, I would now like to show you an example of the star wildcard operator. As you can see, there's a few metrics that begin with S. We have CPU.steal, CPU.system, and CPU.softIRQ. If we only want to return these three metrics, what we could do is type in CPU.system or CPU.softIRQ or CPU.steal. This would return only those three metrics. However, using the star operator, we could simply say CPU.s star, and this would return any metrics that begin with S. But let's say we wanted to exclude steal. What we could also say after that is say not CPU.steal. This would exclude CPU.steal and only include CPU.softIRQ and CPU.system. I would now like to show you an example of an exact match query, the question mark wildcard operator, and the use of parentheses. So if we, for example, search metric is equal to app dot, you will see it returns any metrics that have app dot in it. However, if we wanted to return only the metric that contains only app dot, if we wrap it in dollar signs, it becomes an exact match search and only returns that one metric. As you can see, there are not many status codes, with 200, 302, 304, for example, coming up frequently. Let's say we only want to return the 300 status code. What we could do is and then in parentheses status code is equal to 302 or status code is equal to 304. That would return any metric with app dot in the name and has a status code of 302, 304. However, using the question mark wildcard operator, we can remove the parentheses and instead say status code is equal to 30 question mark. And this does the exact same thing. It returns any status code when the first two letters or first two numbers are 30 and then the third number can be anything.